Welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you're an entrepreneur, digital marketer, or business owner looking to create a powerful brand, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to build a strong brand identity, both visually and verbally. Stick around, because these steps will help you leave a lasting impression on your audience. Brand identity is the face your business presents to the world. It's the sum total of all the elements that make your company recognizable and distinct from the competition. This encompasses everything from your logo and color scheme to your messaging and customer service. A strong brand identity helps customers understand who you are, what you stand for, and what they can expect from you. Think of your brand identity as your company's personality. Just like people have unique personalities that attract others, a well-defined brand identity attracts customers who resonate with your values and offerings. This includes your website, social media, advertising, packaging, and even the way your employees interact with customers. A strong brand identity is not just about aesthetics, it's about creating a cohesive and consistent experience for your customers. This consistency builds recognition and reinforces your brand's message, ultimately leading to stronger customer relationships. In today's competitive landscape, a strong brand identity is more important than ever. By investing in your brand identity, you're investing in the long-term success of your business. Section 2. The foundation of any strong brand identity lies in its core values and mission. Your values are the guiding principles that shape your business decisions and interactions. They represent what you believe in and what's important to your company. Clearly defined values serve as a compass, guiding your actions and shaping your brand's personality. Your mission statement articulates your purpose and what you aim to achieve. It's a concise statement that explains why your business exists and what you hope to accomplish. A well-crafted mission statement provides direction and focus, both internally for your team and externally for your customers. Together, your values and mission form the bedrock of your brand identity. By clearly defining your values and mission, you create a strong sense of purpose that resonates with your target audience. This authenticity is crucial for building trust and establishing long-term relationships with your customers. Section 3. Your visual identity is the first thing people notice about your brand. A strong visual identity is memorable, distinctive, and communicates your brand's essence at a glance. Your logo is the cornerstone of your visual identity. It's the symbol that represents your brand and should be easily recognizable and memorable. A well-designed logo should be simple, versatile, and timeless. Color plays a powerful role in branding. Different colors evoke different emotions and associations, so it's important to choose colors that align with your brand's personality and message. Your color palette should be consistent across all your branding materials. Typography is another important element of your visual identity. Select fonts that are legible, aesthetically pleasing, and align with your brand's personality. Section 4. Speaking your truth. Verbal identity and tone of voice. While visuals are important, your verbal identity is equally crucial in shaping your brand's personality. This encompasses the language you use, the tone of voice you adopt, and the overall messaging you communicate. Your verbal identity should be consistent with your visual identity, creating a cohesive and unified brand experience. Your tone of voice is the way you communicate with your audience. It can be formal or informal, playful or serious, depending on your brand's personality and target market. Consistency in tone of voice across all your communication channels is essential for building a strong and recognizable brand. The language you use should be clear, concise, and engaging. Avoid jargon and technical terms that your audience may not understand. Your messaging should be consistent with your brand's values and mission. Craft compelling narratives that resonate with your audience and build emotional connections. Section 5. Consistency is key, maintaining a unified brand presence. Consistency is paramount in building a strong brand identity. It's about ensuring that every touchpoint reflects your brand's values, messaging, and visual identity. This consistency creates a cohesive and recognizable brand experience for your customers, reinforcing your brand's message and building trust. Maintaining consistency across all platforms is essential. This includes your website, social media channels, marketing materials, packaging, and even your customer service interactions. Every interaction a customer has with your brand should reinforce your brand identity and create a positive and memorable experience. Consistent branding builds trust and loyalty. When customers know what to expect from your brand, they are more likely to develop a positive association with your company. Consistency is the key to building long-term relationships with your customers. Section 6. Emotional connection. Building lasting relationships with your audience. Building an emotional connection with your audience is crucial for creating a strong brand identity. People connect with brands that resonate with their values and emotions. By understanding your target audience's needs, desires, and aspirations, you can create a brand that speaks directly to them and fosters a sense of connection. Authenticity is key to building emotional connections. Customers can spot inauthenticity a mile away, so it's important to be true to your brand's values and mission. Be transparent and honest in your communication, and let your personality shine through. Storytelling is a powerful tool for building emotional connections. By sharing your brand's story and the stories of your customers, you can create a sense of community and belonging. Building emotional connections takes time and effort. Emotional connections are the foundation of long-term brand loyalty. Pause 2S. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more branding tips. See you in the next video.